Hello everyone, here I will tell you how to download videos from the Pinterest to the gallery without using the application. First, you open the Pinterest application. After opening, you look for the videos that you want to download. For example, here I will download one aesthetic video. After clicking the video that you select, click point 3 in the lower right corner. For the example, this, and select copy link. Okay. And you can search Pinterest downloader. Choose the first article. After opening the article, you paste the link that you copied and click download. And you copied your link in this, and you click download. After that, the video that you copied. Then you click on the bottom, you scroll and continue to select the download section and select you want to image or MP4. Then click on select point 3 and click download. After that, you check on video. Yes. And you click this. Click download. Oh no. Click download. Click. Click the tail for your series. And down. And you can check in video or gallery. This. Well, that's a video from me. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Kd.Dwi Cahyani. Today I will tell you how to ask a computer. Steps to turn on the computer. First, make sure the cables are properly connected. Second, turn on the voltage stabilizer if you have one. Third, turn on the monitor by pressing the power button on the monitor. Fourth, turn on the CPU by pressing the power button on the CPU. 5. Wait until the booting process is complete until the desktop screen appears. 6. Computer is ready to ask. Thank you for watching.
How to get free shipping. Click the free shipping icon in the home section. Select the all free shipping section and click register now at the bottom of the page. Fill a KTP number and upload a photo of yourself along with your KTP. Make sure the KTP and your face are clearly visible. Done. The page in the image below show your registration has been processed. Please wait a maximum of 24 hours and your shop will get a notification when the free program is active.
guys, on this video, I will tell you how to change Android display to iPhone iOS 14. Let's go to the tutorial. First, you must have the application iOS 14. You can download it on the Play Store. After the application is installed, you just open the application. Here, you just click Allow. Then click Layout. Here, activate iPhone X Style and Padding button. Click OK. Click Home Screen Apps. Click iOS Launcher. Click Cancel and click Got It. The display has become an iPhone. Next, change the image of the application icon. Open again the iOS 14 application. Then click Change Icon. Then you choose the application you want to change. Just click the pencil image. After that, you click My Photo. Click Photo. Here you can choose the photo you want. Click OK. The image of the application icon has changed. Next, you can also add photo on the main screen. The trick, you press your handphone screen. Then click plus. Then click the picture and hold it and then stick and release. Click Create. Click Photo. Here you can choose the photo you want. Click OK on the top right.
Hello everyone, it's me, Putri. Now I will give you how to use an electronic iron. We use electronic iron either to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. The steps in using an iron are: first, prepare an iron and a table or ironing board. Second, plug the iron cable into an electricity socket. When the indicator light on the iron lights up, it means that the iron has had an electric current. Third, turn the temperature control at the bottom of the iron handle. Set the temperature according to what you want. Next, iron the wrinkled parts of the clothes until they are neat. Use spray deodorizer if you want your clothes to smell better. Then, when finished using, remove the plug from the socket. Finally, place the hot iron in a safe place.